Hey everyone, it's me Jenny and welcome to my channel Lovingly Knee. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to crochet this newborn up to 1 month old baby beanie. This is crochet using super bulky weight yarn number 6, and even though this is a thick yarn, it is still breathable because of the hole in between stitches right here. It took me total 10 minutes to crochet this beanie, and I'm going to show you step by step on how to crochet. And the material that you need to crochet this beanie, the yarn that I use is this one right here. This is a loops and thread Copenhagen yarn. This is a super bulky weight yarn number 6, and the recommended crochet hook for this yarn is 10mm, but I'm going to be using 8mm because I want the stitches to be a little bit tight. And you also need some sort of scissor or something to cut the yarn. And also this is optional, smaller crochet hook for me to, or for you to weave in the ends. Okay, so before we start, I'm going to show you the measurement. For the height it is 5 inches, and for the circumference it is 13 inches around. Okay, so let's start. So first we're going to start by making magic loop. This is how I do my magic loop. Twist the yarn right here, hold it right there, hook in the loop, yarn over and pull the yarn through the loop. Okay, so now we're going to start round 1. Start with chain 2, 1 and 2. Now we're going to make 12 double crochet in the loop. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so once you made 12 double crochet, you're going to slip stitch on this first double crochet stitch right here at the top. Okay, slip stitch. Now we're going to close this hole by pulling the tail. Okay, so round 1, this is how it looks like. So for round 2, we're going to start with chain 2, 1, 2, and for round 2 we are going to make 2 double crochet in every stitch, starting from the first stitch, the same stitch where we did the slip stitch right here. 1, 2. Okay, so next stitch, 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. Okay, so go ahead and finish up round 2. You're going to make 2 double crochet in every stitches. Okay, so once you're done with round 2, go ahead and slip stitch on the first double crochet stitch. For round 2 you should have total of 24 stitches around. So now for the next 2 rounds, round 3 and round 4, each round you're going to start with chain 2 and you're going to make 24 stitches around. Okay, so basically you're going to make 1 double crochet on each stitch. Okay, so go ahead and finish up round 3 and round 4. As I mentioned, each round start with chain 2, make 24 double crochet stitches around and slip stitch. Okay, so I'll see you at the end of round 4. Okay, so done with round 4. Go ahead and slip stitch on the first double crochet stitch. So far this is how it looks like. Okay, so now we're going to do the last round, round 5. Round 5 we're going to start with chain 1, and we're going to make 24 half double crochet stitch around. So basically you're going to make 1 half double crochet in every stitch. Okay, so go ahead and finish up round 5. Make 24 stitches, 24 half double crochet stitches around, and I'll see you once you're done. Okay, so once you're done round 5, go ahead and slip stitch on the first half double crochet stitch. Now you're going to chain 1 to secure all the stitches, and you're going to cut the yarn. Just cut enough for you to weave in the ends. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so now I'm going to weave in the ends. As I mentioned, this smaller crochet hook is optional. You can use needle to weave in ends. I find it easier to use smaller crochet hook if weaving using thicker yarn. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope you find this tutorial easy to follow. As I mentioned, it took only 10 minutes to crochet this beanie. And yeah, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And for now, take care. Bye.